dense urban environments, limited space. Demolition in a metropolitan area requires precision and professionalism. Many construction equipment offers an efficient solution for dismantling structural elements in tight urban spaces. It easily maneuvers through narrow driveways, courtyard, and is due for interior work. Specialists from the Tereshchenko Group handle demolition projects in extremely challenging conditions using a variety of specialized equipment. Mini excavators with specialized attachments ensure highly efficient performance, saving our clients time and money. Our fleet includes Bobcat skid steer loaders, Akula DR300 robotic excavators, hydraulic shears, breakers, and custom-mounted tool systems. Every project involves a tailored approach, a detailed technical inspection, and a safe engineered solution. Minimal noise, minimal vibration, maximum control, safety and quality are always our top priorities. The Tereshchenko Group, your trusted partner for complex construction projects.